Welcome back to the channel, guys. This one's pretty exciting for me. We finally got ourselves a dump truck. We bought a 2009 Ram 5500 with a Cummins 4-wheel drive, and here it is. It's not perfect by any means. I've looked for a long time for a truck this size, and this one came along with not too terrible miles. A 2009 4-wheel drive Cummins, even had a quad cab. Tires are good, and it was the right deal for us. I went ahead, I wish I would have got it on video, but I switched to all LED headlights, all new housings, blinker bulbs, everything, and they look much better and are very bright. It does have a nice strobe light system on top. This light bar up here and stuff I plan to remove. I think it's kind of ugly. We got an older tarp system I'd like to replace. It's not perfect by any means, but we definitely are excited about it and what we can do with it. Threw a couple treated 2x8s on there, give us a little more space. Multi-function tailgate. It's kind of cloudy out here right now, but it's got a nice solid pintle hitch system set up on the back, so we can haul anything that we have currently and anything we plan to get in the future. A little bit of rust on the bed on this side, but again, it's a 13-year-old truck. We're very excited, very happy to have picked this thing up. Oops, that side's locked. Tow mirrors. Not sure if I'll keep my regular truck as of right now. We are going to keep it. But again, for a dump truck, this thing is in pretty good shape. It runs good. That Cummins should last us a long time. Hopefully there'll be lots of videos of this in the future. We just wanted to show it off for right now. So we hope that you like and subscribe. Thank you.